anochi suani azo ye wo elembene menje banu anochi na erkama emume ka krala ekene le Maaha Beach Resort Maaha Beach Resort enia be main entrance ni no ya bia aworo na adwori mo de ti mo ma ka ye kezela omke me kichi no gwanu ana ya dere ke se sini bia do kezela ni moti o ma ijimane engwozore ye ka be freye Maaha opeti moti ya ka ye ni ngban ma mo bia adwonjono wore ye wuke mo meni le kana sorozo anako nozo moti yara wuru no a moti ediema yara ko wazo yara wuru sorozo so nozo ena yebawi yere biza ayokun biara ahye ena won mai na ena sa ewuye ena won mai ka ani yimbi erika biara ena ye wosuwa ma ba freka ni anochi ye we ena na mo elenia no kona Nzema today platform ni azo ye esaba hanza high invoni ehye waania ye wosuwa ma freka ni ka anochi na anochi wode na de ni mom inya na wa anochi meresemani ani ngachire don ala back zeni na bodana mo yijezuela ya ga Maaha Beach Resort Maaha mede Maaha but menze ekene nyamne adomo yesa ya papa edibe biara pan no kon Mr. Jack
Yes.
Mr. Jack ma oda odi akotani peripare wo Maaha Beach ekezenora ene yesa ehan ye na bi adwonjone adwore ko oni nyobi aho ene nwon mai muti no retendala ediema yansona na tie na yedi Mr. Jack Maaha nyane mo olokozo Maaha ekezera Mr. Jack baba bia bia dozre na wayenzo no nya bi wad Mr. Jack,
Yeah.
the ball is in your court now, so you can do whatever that you want to
So,
order.
thank you very much. We are very happy that you came to pay a visit here. And the first thing that I will also say right now is that let us come back to the real meaning, because I heard you saying Maaha Beach Resort. Yes, it can be called Maaha Beach Resort, but we shouldn't forget the right meaning of this. It's Maaha Beach Resort. As we are talking about Nzema, we should give that honor to the dialect. So I'm very happy. It's Maaha Beach Resort.
That is the name.
Beach Resort.
Okay. Okay. So,
Maaha, as you know,
Maaha
Maaha
Beach.
Maaha,
This kind of
the stick.
Elundone.
Exactly.
Okay. Mr. Jack recruit the Maaha mo kana. Okay. So by Nzema ani no. Okay. One Maaha. Name or Maaha Beach Resort. Okay.
Maaha Beach Resort.
Okay. Mr. Jack.
Yes.
You can continue. We are listening to you.
Oh, I'm very happy that you came, and this gives us the opportunity to talk about this place that is one of the biggest attraction and hotel in the area of Anochi from this Elembele district. So we are a big hotel, as you know, having more than 170 rooms, 3 conference rooms of different sizes. We have 2 swimming pools. We have a space for game. We have a cinema, and the project is also having a island where you can have a trip and enjoy water sports that are available on that site, with a restaurant on the river Amanzule. You're welcome to Maaha Beach Resort.
Yo, Mr. Jack.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Medawasi. Nzema ni say medawasi. Say enia Mr. Jack. You can mo igwai epuni na okeke Maaha ne oni de bi mo ori de bi echi yo. Ole erka mo pere o say ambe Maaha. Eba Nzema ni enu o say Maaha Beach Resort. Mole hotel. Neza kon ebanu an kon a. Odan ko be de erka epuni leke cinema erka mo sebi ke sa eye we jale o sa ke be freye eye wo zani o se kun erka wadu ti o omuala erka mo sebi be dun ho a gym centers erka mo be kundu wa gba kanu ni ke mo muala omuala ya Mr. Jack elefa abia dunua ya man na wanya bi nzene wahania Mr. Jack te wiari ogwazo o le kekere nua muti bagwai ekpini na ma wanya bi wahania na ma kan fofore Maaha Beach ya wala ye te wiari o muti kwazo nani aye Mr. Jack,
yes.
Continue.
If you have any question about
okay.
With the questions.
Now what I want to ask is that here I've seen a whole lot of things here, but actually this is the first time that I have been here. If I may ask, Maaha Beach, how many rooms are there now? How many rooms, if I may say?
It's a working project, but it's a very big vision that the owners are really working hard to bring up. So for now, we have 170 rooms that are ready for sale, but we are still growing.
172 rooms.
Yes, and more than 150 workers. Yes, a majority from the community.
Majority from this community.
Exactly,
Anochi here.
Exactly. Not just Anochi, the
suburb Elembele district.
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly, yes.
Okay. Emedi Mahovre. And you can buy how much. Mr. Jack is ever do no be a con. Maaha kese no be ni mo ha fe work is a high ni. Na Maaha no kon wo Elembele. Menzinu no Elembele menjibanu. Ye Maaha Beach we say Maaha Beach Resort. Ekene na mibiza ikunya we say bele azua. Nkokokokoko eyakun abura sun oni inno. Na say eba men we be di ejima. Wo ekeze na ma inza we say workers men we di ejima workers. Bebe bi wa nochi, bebe bi wa adon abo, bebe bi we okui, bebe bi o baku, bebe bi o erka don yala. Workers we be dijima, be mu ala don yala le Nzema Maaha ye be va be mo be fe be za ejima eka. Mr. Jack ye le fa za edwo keshi ya bia duenu ne agwa ejima, ya gwa epini ya bia be wa. Esikre ke Nzema ye le di bi don yala. Na ye te wiare ye na egwa azore. Mr. Jack, I saw this 172 workers. I think maybe rooms, all of them are men or women.
Oh, they are all combined. It depends on the skill.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So, what we are having also, because the majority of the people that we are getting from the community are still beginners in the industry of hospitality.
Okay.
So we have some leaders. So when we employ them, they are in charge of training them. That gives them the opportunity to learn and to also have the skill to work in other places. Yes.
Mr. Jack is a you guys may read no the cricket. Benjamin Kismo Odera. The guy puni. Men maba work is a muana. Benyala Jebema bandit pare. In the tere because Bevebiene, Bevebianoma. Benyalaji, be guy puni. Never hear be in no work as a Amasa, I have be a very cabia. Ba oni de bia mo sabi okwa onzo nga Maaha be mabende tre mo keke anzo anasa okwa obeza ya Maaha senti ala ken de tre ofa mabe anze be kebe free service ejuma be ri ba va ma o baba ma wa setena kpare na kan foforo kwa wa yara ye mo Mr. Jack elefa agwa kene ya bia mo no anya bi wan. Mr. Jack, what kind of thing is this?
Yes, we are promoting all the great things that Africa has, and Nzema also in the first phase. So these are bamboo. Yes, and they are made from the wood that we are getting around to promote the type of things that we have here. Everything that you see around are natural things, and they are from the area. The district itself has a lot of great things. You can start, as you know already, the mines we have, the natural resources that we have, and we also have great beaches that can be promoted. So we can do that by copying what people are doing already. We have to be unique in the type of service that we are giving out, and we have to reflect what is our vision about hospitality. And as I'm saying, we want to come back to the local way, that great time that our ancestors were having with our visitors. So you're invited to have some drinks. Yes, it's a custom here, it's a culture. Maaha Beach Resort offers always some drinks, and it's coconut. You're invited, please, to their guests when they come on arrival. So please, you're invited.
Yo.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Ma owo kani ala ke Mr. Jack okoni ala is akwani tables rola. Na enya ye nwinza mo egwa ya agbaka la. Ehye mo enwi kezela. Ehye enzima no nwinza se bamboo. Ba se ba yenzima ni no abefa kampone.
Yes.
But enya edwa ke man hana. Onkone ke befa ye enzima amamre anze ya culture no be mmiri. Mo ti se nia Maaha kezaya kemo odomo na already mu ane. Ye do ye rike esenzo ne kebefra ye ka edokwa elonduane ngom ye beve ye shirmana ben kone ke nzema amamre anze ye ni nyane mo ye ngban ma bagya chiyera zaade ka abozo bemmiri ehye ya ma ba Maaha keza haya enia ekeza haya ekonke kampani oni elonduane ngom ye beve hye zahai azu angrema aka momo enyi nwina Mr. Jack my kebefra ye kukui meti ekozo down Mr. Jack.
Yes.
Thank you for giving me this. You can cook eva mama, eva kebefre, eka rubber, mangles a store. But yanubi, me and amorakola. Mr. Jack, we can continue.
Yes, yes, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Yes, just fresh coconut from
Today will be a
tree.
better day because this is the first time that I've been here, but I really appreciate. And I know everything is going on successfully.
Yes.
The baby ala cause one Maaha and crema.
It's proper to the Nzemas.
Now,
It's
this
proper
kind of
to the
thing,
Nzemas, yes.
do we pour anything inside, like this coconut water? Can we pour some inside, or it's just design?
It's just a design.
A design.
It's designed to carry the straws.
Straws.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay,
yes,
okay, okay.
yes.
Company abeshe moji kare kukwa jiji enyuru kezela. Na kebefra ye. Maaha still ayeta bolo. Edo bi ala ma Nzema Maaha enne ngunu mai enne yara kampo Maaha Beach ya bia ma wo. Ne no ba wo abrechi manu no erika bi ama wala Maaha ya wala. Koso nania na yele nyane don ya ne ya fie bro. Enne Maaha ba ye wa homuka. Edima ye do azure. Mr. Jack.
Yes.
Ndawase. Nzema se ndawase.
Ndawase.